So today we are going to read about the loops in C++. Okay. So what are basically loops? Okay. So these are a block of code that executes itself. Okay. Until the specified condition becomes false. Okay, so that means what? Becomes false. Okay, unless the condition is fulfilled. Okay, now you have a question in your mind that why we need the loop in our code. Okay, so why loop? Okay, this question must be arrived in your mind. So loop basically saves your time and space complexity. And let's discuss on this space complexity. Okay, don't worry about it. And what loops ought do? It space complexity. And let's discuss on this space complexity. Okay, don't worry about it. And what loops ought do? It saves the effort of coder. Okay, and it also promotes reusability. Means we can reuse it by just editing. Okay, and the use of it is in big programming. Okay, just like in linked list and array like. Okay, now we are going to read the types of loop. Okay, these are basically three types. First is our for loop, second is our while loop, and third one is our do while loop. Okay, so up to this I hope you all have understood. Okay, now we will read what is for loop. Okay, for loop is a control structure that enables a set of instruction to get executed. Okay, for a specific times given by user. Okay, so his syntax is normal, just what you have to write: for they initialize. Okay, then test condition means how much you want to do testing, and then update is by increment or decrement, whatever, and then inside this you will write your code. Okay, up to this I hope you all have understood. Now we are going for nested for loop. What is nested for loop? Nested for loop. This is basically two loop. Okay, means what I want to say you that we have to giving for loop. Okay, condition. After that, inside this we are again giving the for loop and condition. Inside this we will write our code. Okay, this is nested for loop. Okay, now we are going to know infinite for loop. What is infinite for loop? That means it will start from 0 and it will end up to infinite, means it has no any upper limit. Okay, so what is the syntax of this? It's very easy. Just you have to write for in bracket this. These are infinite loop, and inside this you have to write your code which you want to do infinite times. Okay, up to this I hope you all have understood the for loop. Okay, now while loop. Okay, so what is while loop? It is the loop, okay, which do its tasks until a condition is true. Okay, until a condition becomes true. Okay, I hope you have understood. What is syntax of while loop? Okay, syntax is basically while. Okay, then test condition, then inside the loop your code part. Okay, and then here also we have nested while loop. Nested while loop. Okay, so what is this? It's also same like our for loop, where we will write while. Okay, while these are our test condition. Okay, inside this again we will write while another test condition and our code. This nested while loop. Okay, now for infinite while loop, what we will do for infinite while loop? That is infinite while loop. This syntax is easy. While true is our code which runs infinite times. Okay, I hope you have understood the while loop. Now we will go further for do while loop. Okay, so what is do while loop? Do while loop. Okay, so do while loop is it exists control loop. Okay, means what? It will first is it exists control loop. Okay, means what? It will first